Welcome to the Trade Desk tutorial. Trade Desk is a personal trading environment for charting, market information, and Forex trading. It allows you to customize your trading environment, arrange your own trading and market information needs, and keep you connected to the Forex market 24/7. With Trade Desk, you can set up multiple trading scenarios for different products and be able to react to market opportunities quickly and easily. Trade Desk is designed for both beginners and advanced traders. It has the very basic trading tools for placing and closing deals, as well as advanced tools such as technical analysis, one-click trading, and trading on charts. Let's begin. Start by double-clicking on your Trade Desk icon. Enter your Easy Forex username and password. You can select to have Trade Desk remember these for quick access. This is Trade Desk. This is your default layout, and this is the docking station or dock. Let's start by looking at the dock. This is Trade Desk's dock. This will be your main navigation panel and management console, where you'll manage your layouts, applications or apps, alerts, and all your trading activities. The dock consists of a number of sections. The first section is a summary of your account status. It shows your free balance, total margin, and the current and real-time value of your open positions. Next is the layout section. Here you can see a list of your saved layouts. This is also the place where you can create new layouts, manage your layouts, and navigate between them. We will get to that later in this video. Beneath the layouts, you have your applications section. This section contains a list of all your apps. Apps are the basic building blocks of Trade Desk. Different traders may use different apps to create their own personal trading environment. We'll look at these later in this video. Next, we have the financial calendar that contains upcoming financial indicators, followed by the news section showing the latest financial headlines streaming live from Reuters. Finally, we get to the alerts section where you could set alerts for market prices, financial indicators, and deals. We'll get to this also later in the video. Let's have a look at layouts. A layout is a collection of apps arranged on your screen. Trade Desk comes with a few ready-made layouts. You can navigate between layouts here. You can minimize the active layout by clicking on this button here. You can bring it up again by clicking on it again. Let's create a new layout. Start by clicking the Create New button here. This will create an empty space on your screen. Now, let's fill it with apps. Clicking on an app will open it on the screen. Apps can be resized and moved like this. Let's add another app. Apps can be connected to one another by moving one close to the other like this. The easiest way to do this is by placing apps next to each other, but make sure the apps aren't overlapping one another. When apps are connected, they act as a single unit and cannot be resized. When one moves, the other will follow it like this. You can detach apps by clicking on the Detach button here, and reattach them like this. Let's add another app. By the way, another great way to arrange your layout is by clicking on the Auto Arrange button over here. If you want to find out more about an app, right-click on it and go to Help. Now that your layout is done, click here to save it. Set a name for your layout and click Save. You can now see it here in your layouts list. Now that we've had a look at the basics of Trade Desk, let's see some of the ways you can trade on it. We'll begin by looking at opening a new deal. There are many ways you can open a new deal using Trade Desk. For example, you can double-click on a rate on the currency rates table, adjust the amount you want to trade, the deal margin, and click on Trade Now. When the deal is opened, you'll see a confirmation note here, and you will see the deal on the My Positions app here. Another way to open a deal is using the Forex Rate Boxes app. Here, you can adjust the desired amount and margin and then double-click on the rate and click on the Trade Now button to enter a new deal. For faster execution, you can activate the one-click trading option here. A warning note will appear. After you acknowledge the risk, the app will switch to one-click mode, and now any click on a rate will immediately open a new deal on the displayed rate. Trade Desk offers other options to open a new deal, which can be found on different apps, alerts, and charts. To close a deal, click on the X button on the My Position app here, and click the Close Deal button. You can also modify an existing deal by clicking on the Modify button here. Trade Desk contains a powerful charts app that suits all levels of trading experience, starting from a simple market view to advanced technical analysis and studies. To view a currency pair chart, you can select the currency pair here, or simply drag and drop the pair from one of the other apps, like this. For advanced technical analysis, you will find the list of more than 50 technical indicators here. You can add them to the chart by selecting one from the list and clicking Add, like this. You can change the indicator's parameters by double-clicking on the indicator. You can also modify the color and style of the indicator here. To delete an indicator, click here and click Delete. You will also find an extensive list of line studies here. The Charts app contains many more options and tweaks that can be found in the menu. Another great feature of this app is the ability to trade directly from the chart. For example, let's say your analysis suggests you should buy when the market reaches this rate. All you have to do is right-click on this spot and select Set Buy Limit. After clicking Trade Now, a new limit order will be placed in your account and will be visible on the chart here. And you do the same action if you want to sell at a certain rate, like this. If you want to be alerted when the market reaches a certain level, you can also set a buy-sell alert directly from the chart, like this. Another way to customize your trading environment is to set up alerts for different market rates, indicators, and deals. To do that, access the Alerts section on your dock. Set a market rate alert like this. Or choose to be alerted before a financial indicator is announced, like this. You can also choose to be alerted when a deal is closed or when the market is getting close to your deal's stop-loss rate. Whenever an alert is triggered, a small pop-up will appear on the bottom right corner of the screen. For this example, the market has reached a certain rate, triggering the alerts. Note that you could quickly open a deal from this alert by clicking on the Trade Pair button like this. Trade Desk is packed with many more features you'll discover once you're trading with Trade Desk. Have a look at the Inside Viewer, the Trade Controller, Deal Tracker, hotkeys for quick deal access, layout navigation, and many more. This has been a short guide to Trade Desk. The best way to get a feel for it is to download it for free from the Easy Forex website. If you have any questions, contact your account service manager and they'll help you find your way around Trade Desk. Thanks for listening.
Please note that Forex trading involves substantial risk of loss and may not be suitable for everyone. Do not invest money you cannot afford to lose.